Hi, this is Tim Evans with the Carol Royce team. This is your Monday Real Estate Minute Tip. Our home sellers, often when we come out to see them, say, hey, I've got a window that's bad, or I got a couple of them that are bad. You can see the fog, you can see the haze between the windows. What do we do about this? That's an important issue that comes up in the home inspection. Before you go spend thousands of dollars replacing 3 or 4 or 5 windows, or maybe one even, look at the sills. Have TrueView Window come out and look at it. Many times they can replace a sill for 30, 40, 50 bucks and save you a ton of money in the process. But here's the important thing, is that you keep your home in escrow, keep that buyer right there with you, and keep that high price offer right intact. This is your Monday Real Estate Minute Tip. We'll see you next week.